Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll bring another super early airdrop for you, and the name of the project is Orbit AI. So Orbit AI is the world's first decentralized orbital AI cloud. So at the time of making this video, they have 22k followers, and if you scroll down their X profile, then you'll notice recently on May 22 they raised $5 million in funding. And the best part is this project is backed by some top names such as Minimax, Solana and BNB Chain. So I hope you understand this project is really valuable. I'll show you how you can participate in this project. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then please subscribe and turn notifications on for the latest videos. And most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share all the latest crypto airdrop news and updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description where you'll find this site link. So after landing here, you'll see Orbit AI is a project related to space satellites. So this is really interesting. So let's see what they say. Orbit AI is building the decentralized SpaceX AI for AI agents, an orbital network that aggregates satellite AI compute, communication, and remote sensing into AI native infrastructure for traders, builders, and autonomous agents. To join the airdrop, first here at the top, click on login. Then here you can sign up using your email, or you can continue with the wallet. So I'd select the wallet option here. And then here you can choose any of these following wallets. So I will select MetaMask here. Then here you will find two network options, Ethereum and Solana. So select Ethereum, then click on connect. And then confirm the request. Now you need to switch to BNB chain. So click on switch and the wallet is connected. Now what you need to do here is at the top, click on the airdrop section. And then you will see this airdrop dashboard. So here right now you have only a few tasks which you need to complete. So first you need to follow them on X. So for that, click on start. Then follow their profile and go back and done. Next you need to join their Telegram group. So click on start, then join and go back and done. Next is first successful invite. So click on start. And then here you will find your referral link and code which you can share with your friends. So here also you have a leaderboard section. Right now this project is at a very early stage, so lots of things are coming later. So here you will see your total points. Then you see the unclaimed yield section, which is very important. You must claim your points within 24 hours. If not claimed within 24 hours, the points will be void. So you must claim them on time. So don't miss this project and join as soon as possible. And that's it for this video. I'll give you continuous updates about this project. So for that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and join the Telegram channel. Please like and share this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.